Gardening Made Easy, a simple guide for beginners. Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening and simplifying it for beginners. Step 1. Choose the right plants for your space and climate. Consider low-maintenance options like succulents or herbs for starters. Next up, soil preparation. Ensure good drainage by mixing in some compost, creating a happy environment for your plants to thrive. Watering can be tricky, but fear not. Water deeply but less frequently, allowing the roots to establish themselves. Plants have preferences too. Some love the sun, while others prefer shade. Understand your plant's sunlight requirements for a thriving garden. Don't have a yard? No problem. Container gardening is a fantastic option for those with limited space. Just choose the right size pots and enjoy your mini garden. Pesky pests? Combat them naturally with homemade organic sprays. A simple mix of soap and water can work wonders. And there you have it. A simplified guide to kickstart your gardening journey. Remember, it's all about learning and enjoying the process. Happy gardening! Please like this video. Subscribe for more gardening tips. #Gardening Made Easy. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or want more gardening tips, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy gardening!